Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
To get everything going. Don't forget, you got to learn the business. You got to build your business. Once you learn what to do, now you got to build out your business. What do I mean by build out your business? Which is a course I forgot to tell y'all about. You need to know, do I need an EIN number, LLC, business bank account, how to collect payments, how to charge, how to price, all that. You got to learn all that. You have to learn all of that. And those things, again, aren't sexy. My videos, when I talk about how to build your business on this channel, people are like, yeah, right. They want to talk about six figures. How you going to get to 6 figures and you don't know what to do? You don't know how to price your services. I have people saying, oh, well, I thought it was only $2. My state said I can only charge $2, but you didn't read the handbook. You got to know what the handbook says. You got to know around the handbook. Everybody was mad at a certain person a few years ago because he only paid $750 in taxes. Was that a crime? No, but you got to know the tax law. Okay? You got to know. I always say, don't hate don't hate the player. Don't hate the game, don't hate the player. You know what I'm saying? You got to know how to play the game. How about that? And you got to know your business. You got to know your business. And as I always say now, you don't have no business doing business if you don't know your business. Okay? So I would say about at least a good 2 months for somebody that's really trying to work and do everything. If you don't have nothing else going on, you should be able to get it done. Get started. You're never going to learn everything. And it's a lot to learn. I'm giving you 15 courses. I mean, I've been doing this for like 6 years. So, you see what I mean? So, I give you the shortest version I can. The crystal clear. Ain't no fluff. I ain't trying to keep you in mentorship till you turn 100. But you do need mentorship probably. So, oh, thank you, Melon Express. Y'all so sweet. I appreciate y'all. And Tamara says, I have your book. It's awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are really sweet. I appreciate it. Sheree Loren says, I've been watching Kimmi's channel for a while, and I resonate with her a lot more than the other ladies. When I saw her mentorship program, I got it so fast. LL. Yes, welcome to. I appreciate you. You're so sweet. Jetty So High says, let's do it. Where do I sign the dotted line? If you have your commission, you can sign up at notaryeducatorsllc.com. notaryeducatorsllc.com. All right, let's see. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Thank you, Melon Express. Girl, I need to go eat. I'm about to in a minute. I got a salad over here from Chick-fil-A. I've been eating bad all day, y'all. So I said I got to eat a salad. So I go to Chick-fil-A to get the salad, and I wanted the new spicy grilled chicken that they have. She gave me the grilled spicy part, but it's not the grilled, it's the fried. So I didn't make a stink about it because I didn't want fried tonight. I've been eating bad all day. So I wanted to eat healthy, and I was going to get the grilled spicy chicken on my salad. But anyway, that's not what she gave me, so I'm going to eat it. But Melon Express, don't hate the player, hate the game. That's one of my other expressions I love, because sometimes we get mad at people, and it's like, well, why she doing this, and why he doing that, and why? Don't be like, why? Find out why. If somebody has something that I want, or someone's doing something that I want, or I want to learn something that someone else is doing, I don't hate them and get mad and get jealous. I try to go find out, how can I be like them? How can I do that too? Okay? I had a manager really quick at one of my jobs. Cute little something, really petite, educated. She spoke Spanish and she was just like the bomb.com, right? And I was like, dang, she is really fly. And I'm like, I want to learn that too. So I asked her. I asked questions. I'm a big question person. I'm like, why? How? Tell me. So I asked her, I said, hey, so how did you learn Spanish? She was like, well, the company paid for it and they'll pay for you too. Oh, really? So she dropping gems I'm picking up. This is way back in the day. So I started taking some Spanish classes. So I'm not fluent, but I can speak enough. But that's because I didn't look at her and say, oh, who she thinks she is. Oh, she thinks she's so cute. Oh, she's so this. Oh, she's so that. No. I asked her, how do you do that? How are you able to learn that language? You know what I'm saying? Anything, even on YouTube, other YouTubers, I may watch them like, dang, she really excels in that. She really does. I'm like, she's great at that. I'm not like hating on her, but I'm trying to figure out how she does it, how he does it, how can I start doing it? So even in my business, I've watched other people and I've learned from them. I'm still learning. I finally have gotten some people to help me with some stuff on the back end that I didn't know about. You know, sometimes people are very tight-lipped and they don't want to share information with you. Let's just keep it real. Or everything is a course or everything is a fee, right? I give you a lot of free information here. It's almost 1,000 videos. But some stuff you just got to come and learn it. Even as much as I have here on this channel, and that's what they say in the content creator world, if you feel like you can't tell your clients here on YouTube, if I can't tell you everything you ask me, there's never been a question here on YouTube, ever. And I've been doing this almost 4 years on YouTube. There's never been a question that someone asks me and I don't give them the answer and say, find out in my course. Never, ever. So I watch a lot of other content creators that's been in the game a whole lot longer. And they always say, if you can't tell your clients what they want to know for fear they won't go buy your course, then you don't know enough. You don't know enough as the content creator. So I walk this walk. I am a notary. I have a notary business. So I could tell stories on this channel 365 every day. Because every day something different happens. I've learned something. I've made a mistake. I can share it with you. I can tell you, and you still, when people right now in mentorship, and they'll tell you, the ones that's on here right now, they thought they knew something from watching my videos here on YouTube. But they realized, dog, I ain't know nothing. I still need this mentorship. I need a mentorship because I give you everything. I give you everything here, but I cannot give you everything in a 45-minute or 30-minute conversation. There's just no way. Unless you want to sit and watch all my stuff and you got a notepad this big for 1,000 videos, you know. But the courses they're great. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I'm going to get these last few comments and I really am going to get out of here. So Adriana, girl, sorry. What are the main things you need to purchase right away actually to do loan signings? See, that question again, Adriana, lets me know you don't need to be buying supplies, honey. You need to be doing mentorship first, okay? That's not, that question right there lets me know you do not need to touch anybody's loan signing. I'm just going to keep it real with you. I'm going to keep it real. Don't do nobody's loan signing, baby. Please, I beg you. Get in mentorship. Do the loan signing course, okay? Learn how to be a great notary. And then let's talk about supplies. People want to go buy all these supplies. They don't know what to do with them. I'm going to answer your question. But that question right there lets me know you do not need to do nobody's loan signing, okay? Step away from the loan signings until you have training. What do you need to purchase immediately, though, to do loan signings? Either at least a single tray printer, at least. I recommend a dual tray, okay? You need some ink, some toner, some paper, all right? You also need blue, black ink pens, your basic notary supplies. So, errors and omission insurance, loan signing agent training, okay? Those are some basic things you need. But that question right there, baby, lets me know. And I'm not trying to be dramatic for you too. I'm telling you straight up, no chaser. You don't need to be doing nobody loan signing.